Hi friends, I'm like you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're just going to see about how to check the Google Cast setting on your Xiaomi Google TV. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So we're just going to see about the Cast setting. So the Google Cast setting, you just need to go to the setting first. After going inside the setting option, you have this option called come to the bottom section. So if you just coming to the bottom section, we can find option called system, and in the system setting you just need to enter into that and just come to the bottom section, and here you can find option called cast, and here you have the three more options like let's other control your cast media. So you have three more options like always. You can just use it always, or you can turn this cast off by using never option, or you can just use option called while casting. So this is how you just control your cast notification or remote control notification of the cast on your Xiaomi Google TV. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechNet. Be unique. Have a wonderful day.